Where is Mama gonna sit? Right there? Oh, okay.
Keep your paws closed, or you're gonna get off them. Thank you.
I'm so hungry right now. I could eat Penelope.
I need the Xbox on, please. Thank you.
Sir, I'm gonna need you to stop cleaning, please. Yeah. Yeah.
Should I eat healthy tonight? No, I didn't think so.
Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up?
Want a bite of my bacon, egg, and cheese?
Okay, thank you.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Huh?